Meaning of eggshell.
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 Eggshell. Eggshell can refer to both the thin, hard outer layer of an egg and a specific shade of off-white color that resembles the shell of a chicken's egg. The term is also commonly used idiomatically to describe a delicate situation or relationship that requires careful handling, as if one were walking on eggshells to avoid causing offense or conflict. In general, the word eggshell connotes fragility, sensitivity, and a need for gentleness and caution in order to avoid unintended consequences or damage.